Hey guys, so we made it to Costa Rica and our B&B is 3 hours away from the airport. So we're currently an hour and a half away and we just stopped to eat because we're really hungry. This is where we are right now, about to eat. Our driver Jose brought us here and this is the view.
This is Benjamin checking in, and I was able to grab some more food than the rest. I had to make sure that I got some fried rice and chicken, fries, fish, red snapper. Don't look like as much fish on there, but or fish meat if you want to call it that. But we moved. We got the rest here.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought the portion was gonna be a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
But
we got Lovelace over here. Tell them what you got.
Okay guys, I got the special, which is a fish fillet with jumbo shrimp on top. Instead of rice, I got french fries because I'm craving french fries, some mixed veggies, and then I got some shrimp fried rice with some french fries and salad. You know the vibes. So I finished my first plate. My second plate, I ate 1/4 of it. Thank you.
What is?
I'm taking it to go. The blue stuff, right? I don't know.
I'm scared to try.
The food was really good, very full. I give it a 8 out of 10. Mimi?
Oh my god, I was making a TikTok. I forgot to record the food.
Like a 7 out of 10.
Barrington?
9.
That's valid. 9 is valid. Price is mad extra.
Ocho. Yeah, ocho.
Copy. Ben?
8.2.
You said 8.2?
I didn't know that's 8.5.
Overall, the food was fire. Period. This how much I have left. I drank my mojito right there, and then I'm gonna hydrate with some water because it's actually. Hey guys, we made it to the B&B.
Wow.
Hi.
Hola.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
The pool gonna see me.
No, the pool, the table, everything's seeing me.
That's where I'm doing my homework today.
Nah, this is fire. Good morning vlog. Today is day 2 of our Costa Rica trip. If it sounds like a fly is buzzing or a bee's buzzing, Ben's trying to fly the drone up here. And yeah, so it is currently 6:09 a.m. in Costa Rica, so we are 2 hours behind. So it's actually 8:09 in America, and well, on the East Coast. And yeah, we woke up around 5 a.m., like between 5:30 a.m. and we're just admiring the beautiful view. Like, we watched the sun come up, and yeah, we're just here chilling, waiting for everybody else to wake up because we actually went to sleep really early. And yeah, so yesterday, the first day is always a let's relax day, so we just bought groceries for the week. All right, y'all, so we ordered there's more. We ordered groceries to the villa, and the driver just delivered it. Whew.
Did he bring Maggi or just ice cream?
Ice cream.
Look at how they deliver ground beef.
Yeah, he said they weigh it. He was like, they have a butcher that does everything. So we got all fresh meat.
Gracias.
Thank you.
It's the honey and the tequila.
It's mad tiny. All right, so here's the groceries.
Fine though, right?
Yeah, it should be fine. And then we just wash it. Our groceries was $377 American dollars. Ain't that something? But it's because we bought 2 bottles, so. As you saw in the previous video, we spent $377 on groceries. And yeah, we really didn't do anything. We were just chilling and we went to sleep. We came, chilled, went to sleep. And then today we're supposed to be getting COVID tested early morning. I think we're supposed to be getting COVID tested at 8 a.m. And then after that, we're just gonna plan as we go.
You know, Chef Benji's in the building. You feel me?
Dude, what about me? Anyways, guys, so we're done with our pool party. We about to shower, make food, and yes. Hey y'all, so I just got out the shower. I ripped my frontal wig off because it just wasn't it. So right now, me and Ben, we're about to cook breakfast. I mean, what am I saying? Yo, I can't even talk. Right now, me and Ben are about to cook dinner for everybody. We're actually really hungry. Like me and Ben, I don't know about everybody else, but me and Ben were really hungry, which is why we took the initiative to just yo.
I'm in the fields, you know, getting ready to cook. Filling some shrimps, scales, or
Tails,
whatever you want to call it.
So yeah, so we're gonna be making steak with broccoli and mushrooms and like a cream sauce, and then we're gonna put the shrimp on top of the steak, and then we just have, I don't know, we actually mixed vegetables, and this is what they gave us. And that's some broccoli, some cauliflower, mushrooms. All right, so right now I'm cooking a steak. I'm like, ooh, I'm steaming it. Oh, dude, get your carrots on my face. Ooh. Right now I'm steaming the steak, so it could properly like cook through. You know what I'm saying? It look crazy right now, but then I have some like what's it called, onions underneath the steak because I had already like caramelized them. And then I'm gonna let it cook some more, steam some more, and then I'm just gonna let it like air dry so I could like fry it or grill it or whatever. All right, vlog, we did the damn thing. Okay. We have some steak topped with shrimp that was sauteed with the steak, some broccoli, white rice, and then Ben made his seafood cream with whatever we had left and added. Yeah, it's mushroom, shrimp, spinach, and like Parmesan cheese and all of that. Okay. Hey guys, so we made it to zip line. So basically today's day 3, right?
Yeah.
Today is day 3. We woke up, ate breakfast, got ready for zip lines. Right now I think it's like 11 o'clock or like 10:30 or something. And we're all just getting ready to get geared up. You know the vibes.
Yes.
You know the vibes.
Yes.
They brought it down fast for her.
Please slow me down.
All right.
No me gusta. Drop who? Don't drop me.
Don't touch me, my friend.
Drop me, I'll drop you. Oh no. Wait.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, whoa, amigo. Ah.
All right.
Hey.
Amigo.
Why?
¿Qué pasa, mi amigo? Tenga frío.
We're back. All right, vlog. We successfully completed this zipline trail adventure. It was really fun. What y'all gotta say about zip lines?
You know, I knew I was gonna conquer it. You know,
I just can't wait to shower and eat and do my hair because I look a mess. Okay, guys, so now we are eating. We have chicken. This looks like some type of salad, cabbage, boiled plantain, beans, and rice. We all got the same thing, water. There's Ben praying.
Ben ready to eat.
Good morning, everyone. This is our last full day in Costa Rica. We are leaving tomorrow. So my vlogs, like the videos, have literally been all over the place. So yesterday, after ziplining, we kind of just hung out, drank. Not really drank, but we hung out, ate. Oh yeah, we went out to eat, and then kind of just fell asleep. You know what I'm saying? We wanted to play drinking game, didn't really work out. It is what it is. So today, woke up. I woke up really early so I could take pictures because I didn't take pictures all vacay, like this whole Costa Rica vacay. I did not take pictures. Oh my gosh, my lashes in my eye. But yeah, so I did not really take pictures. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram and check out the pictures that I took today. While I was taking pictures, the driver came because we're about to go ATVing. We are really late. Like, the driver has been waiting for us for like 30 minutes. About to go ATVing or whatever. So I hopped out of the pool, put on something real quick. We didn't even eat breakfast, so currently everybody's eating breakfast right now. And I'm just trying to pack my stuff together and like back up my GoPro and all of that and just make sure that I am ready. I didn't even want to go with a beat face, but boo, I'm gonna just have to go ATV and glammed up, period. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we're on our way to the ATV. Hey guys, we made it to the ATV spot and look at the little frog.
Hey, what is this thing that's jumping?
Look at the froggy. It's thick. It's gonna move, somebody throw something.
Why would you throw something at it?
I want it to jump.
Hey, I don't want it to jump on me. I was
You went to go wash his shoes? The frog jumped out of his shoe.
Oh, it's about to come. Somebody jump on top of the thing. And come this way.
Okay, y'all, me and Ben are doing a double because I don't feel like driving the ATV. This is our tour guide.
Hi there.
Alex,
So
yep.
I would like to use this one as an example to explain you.
Okay.
Sorry if I don't stop over there, but the thing is that there is one of those animals who doesn't like the noise of this engine.
Oh.
So he gets mad and he starts chasing you. I'm fine in front. The ATVs are faster, you know. I'm okay about in front, but I'm worried for you on the back.
Yeah.
So quickly, if you want to get closer and get that video, you can walk and do that. Not rushing you, but hurry.
Okay, they're real?
Yes, water buffaloes.
One of them got up.
Water buffaloes.
Oh, water buffalo?
Yes, they use those animals to collect the fruit from these fields.
I'll do a mad burnouts. This shit is fun.
I know. I was waiting for like Mimi to go in front so I can record. Guys, we're gonna go look at water buffaloes.
Those are real ATVs. All the other ATVs I have.
Those are real animals.
Wow, they look like statues.
Water buffaloes.
Who owns them?
Oh, the company.
like statues.
Oh.
The company. They use them as ox cars, but now they use water buffaloes.
Okay, y'all, so we made it to the waterfall, and it is beautiful. Look at him, look at him.
Let me go and join him. Let me go and join him.
Oh, meet Jesus. All right, y'all, so we stopped here. It's a rest break from our hike. We're about to eat watermelon. He gave us some crackers. I mean, not watermelon, we're about to eat pineapple. He gave us some crackers.
Crackers taste so good. Really good.
We made it to the end, so we about to wash ourselves off because Ben made me mad dirty doing burnout. Okay, so I finished rinsing off. We about to eat real quick. I still got my bathing suit on so I can dry. I'm honestly just going home like this, but we about to eat. Why her? Oh nah. But
We some dusty kids.
You so dusty in here, man.
Hey guys, Ben's getting bit by ants. But yeah, so we're heading back to the B&B. We're heading back to the B&B right now. Then we're gonna get dressed, shower, and then go out to eat dinner. Yo.
Bro, how did this even happen?
Oh my god. You're gonna have to cut it
First Ben got bit by ants.
First I was getting bit by ants, and then
Just throw away the sandal.
No, but are you?
Gosh.